Stop randomly picking AI tools hoping they'll work. There's actually a method to this madness. And here is what is really happening with some or most people. You are jumping between AI tools randomly, getting frustrated and thinking like AI doesn't work for me. But the problem is not AI. Like it's that you are using a hammer when you need a screwdriver. Each tool has a superpower and you need to understand that you are using them wrongly for your purpose. A recent study found that like 73% of professionals abandon AI tools within 3 months, not because the tools are bad but because they never learned which tool to use for which task. That's like asking your accountant to design your website. Though he's a skilled accountant, it's a completely wrong task, right? So understanding the right tool for your specific work isn't just helpful and essential, it is the difference between AI becoming your biggest asset or your biggest frustration. So in the next few minutes I'm going to show you the real differences between ChatGPT and Claude, not just the basic stuff everyone talks about but the strategic advantages that can actually change how you work. And if you want to stop struggling with AI tools and start dominating with them, hit that subscribe button right now. And in my upcoming videos I will break down detailed demos of each tool, but in this video I am discussing the core differences that will help you choose the right AI assistant for your specific needs. And by the end of this video you will know exactly which tool to use for which task and more importantly how to use them like a pro. Let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT, your smartest digital buddy. You know everyone is using ChatGPT now because it's become so prominent. But the truth is, most people are not even scratching the surface of what it can really do. It's like having a super intelligent best friend who is always ready to help day and night. You know that it can write, explain, edit, translate, solve math, fix code, generate image, pretty much anything you throw at it, right? Whatever task it is, it's got your back. Many people use ChatGPT just like a content machine, but you can use it for various tasks far beyond writing, like market research and niche identification, business strategy and planning, operational efficiency and automation. And the pro tip is get the ChatGPT Plus plan. It gives you access to GPT 4.0 and often early access to even newer models. This is not just about being smarter, it's about handling complex tasks, complex prompts, understanding subtle nuance, and managing longer, more detailed conversations with impressive coherence, which is crucial for intricate business tasks. And yet, it also handles light tasks as well, from casual questions to quick school help. But one important note before you go all in, while ChatGPT is powerful, it's still just a tool. It can make mistakes, especially with facts, stats, or time sensitive information. Always fact check anything critical like legal, medical, or financial advice. Its knowledge has a cutoff, and sometimes it can hallucinate, meaning it might give you plausible sounding but incorrect answers. So, if you're using it professionally for these use cases, be smart and double check. Alright, next up, let's talk about Claude. If you are someone who works with long documents, complex data, or intricate planning, Claude is not just helpful, it is a superpower. Like, if you want an AI that writes beautifully, handles massive files, and thinks with depth, Claude is the one you want in your corner. Compared to many other AI tools out there, especially those you might be more familiar with like ChatGPT, let me show you what makes Claude different. Imagine you upload a 200 or 300 page industry report and say, "Hey Claude, can you give me a 2 sentence summary for my newsletter?" And it actually does it very clearly, concisely, and with more context. Most AIs would choke on that, and Claude, it thrives. That's because Claude is what I call like the deep thinker. It's not just about the quick answers. Claude is built to process huge amounts of information, and it responds with depth, structure, and clarity. Now, why do I say most AIs would choke? It comes down to something called the context window. Think of the context window as an AI's short term memory, or the amount of information it can hold in its mind at any given moment to process your request. Most AI tools, even the most powerful ones, have a significant limit to how much they can read at once. If you give them a document that's too long, they can't handle it in one go. They usually have to break it into smaller parts or skip over few details, which means you don't get the full picture. This is where Claude truly shines. Claude is designed with an exceptionally large context window capable of ingesting the equivalent of hundreds of pages or even a full book or in a single go. So whether you are analyzing a market report, reviewing a contract or debugging 1000 or 2000 lines of code, Claude can handle it all in one go. It doesn't just skim your input, like it truly understands the big picture. That's what is very important. Now let's see who built Claude. Claude was developed by Anthropic, a company focused on building AI that is helpful, harmless, and honest. And the fun fact is, Anthropic was founded by Dario and Daniela Amodei, who were the key leaders at OpenAI, the same company behind ChatGPT. They branched out with a mission to create AI that's more aligned with human values, and they have done something quite unique with Claude, and that's what makes Claude very special. So Claude was trained using a method called constitutional AI. So think of it like giving the AI rule book a set of ethical guidelines that helps it stay responsible without needing constant human feedback. This means Claude tends to be more cautious. Sometimes it will even refuse a request and if it feels like risky or unclear. So but that's very intentional if it is designed to prioritize safety and avoid bias or harmful output. Now let's see who should use Claude. As business owners, we are constantly bombarded with various information, right? I'm talking about market research reports, competitor analysis, legal contracts, internal strategy documents, customer feedback, you name it, anything. And trying to process all of that, it's exhausting, right? That's exactly where Claude steps in. This is not just another AI, it's like having an ultra smart business assistant who never gets tired. It can read through the massive documents, pull out the most important key takeaways, and help you draft executive summaries or proposals all in a tone that is very sharp, professional, and clear. Let me give you an example. Let's say you just got three market research reports from different consultancies. So you can upload all of them into Claude and say, summarize these three reports into 3-page executive brief. Highlight growth opportunities, competitive threats, and flag any conflicting data. That's it. And wow, Claude delivers with absolute clarity. You get a clear, coherent summary that could have taken days to put together manually. Not just that, like it helps you cut through the noise and most importantly extract what matters, and you can keep your focus on making strategic decisions and growing your business based on that report. Honestly, it's like a clarity engine and one of the smartest tools a business owner can use. And also, the good news is it's not just for business executive. Claude is amazing for researchers and academics for digesting vast amounts of papers, extracting data, and synthesizing complex information. And it can also be used by writers and content creators, especially for long form content, in depth articles, reports, and ensuring consistent tone. And it can be used by software developers and engineers for debugging, code explanations, refactoring, and understanding large code bases. And it can also be used by analysts and consultants for deep dives into market reports, financial documents, and strategic planning. So anyone handling large volumes of text like lawyers, journalists, educators, or anyone needing to quickly summarize or extract important information from lengthy documents, they can go for Claude. Coming to the downsides of Claude, you know that like no tool is perfect, right? And Claude has its quirks too. First, it is overcautious. Sometimes it plays it too safe, and as I said already, like it might refuse to answer certain prompts that seem harmless just to avoid potential issues. That is one thing. And the second one is it can't generate image. Claude can analyze the images you upload, but unlike ChatGPT with DALL-E 3, like it can't create images from text. So let me wrap it up in one or two lines. If depth, accuracy, and responsibility matter in your work, Claude is the tool you want by your side. So it's not just smart AI, it is strategic intelligence built for serious thinking. So there you have it. ChatGPT is for versatility and quick wins, and Claude is for deep thinking and complex analysis. But here is the thing: knowing about these tools is not enough. You need to actually use them and also consistently. While you're thinking about it, your competitors are already gaining an unfair advantage with AI. So don't let them leave you behind. If you found this video valuable, smash that subscribe button because I'll be releasing detailed tutorials on AI tools in the upcoming weeks. And remember, AI is not about replacing you, it's about making you unstoppable if you use it right. See you in the next video.